Welcome to today's tutorial, where I will guide you through setting up fast UDP Custom Servers, HTTP Custom VPN. Follow these steps to get started. First, open any web browser and type 125tech into the search bar, then press Enter. You'll see a list of search results. Find and click on the official website to access the home page. Once you're on the home page, locate the menu icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a list of menu options. From this list, select UDP Custom Server to proceed. On the UDP Custom Server page, you will see a variety of server locations. Choose the location that best suits your needs and click on the Select Location button to continue. Next, you'll be prompted to fill out an account form. Enter your username, password, and complete the CAPTCHA verification. After filling out the form, click on the Create Server button. The server will be created within seconds. Make sure to copy the server details as you'll need them for the HTTP Custom VPN setup. Return to the home page and download the HTTP Custom VPN app from the Play Store. Once the app is installed, launch it to reach the HTTP Custom home screen. On the home screen of the HTTP Custom app, check the UDP Custom box. Enter the server details you previously created, including the IP address, username, and password. After entering these details, tap on the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. To ensure everything is working correctly, swipe right to view the connection logs. You can also check the ping to monitor the connection status. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.